No, I'm not using you. You're too. What are you saying? I can't even remember the song title again, no, but the only thing I remember is I'm falling for you, baby, you're going nowhere. Your love is true, I know you always be there. But I can't remember the song title actually. No one can love you like I do. Okay. Jeepers, can you kick out Smith, please? Kick it out, please. I don't like you. I'll use this one. Yeah. Okay, now I'm coming. I'm coming. Each one, I'm coming. Have you subscribed? Have you liked this stream? Okay. You are planning your day. Are you going to school tomorrow? I want to add touch of black. Are you going to school tomorrow? Eh? Where? Where are you? Are you going to school tomorrow? Okay, you're going to school. Okay. Guys, like the stream now. Why don't you want to like the stream? Why? You are not happy. Hey, lazy student. Oh, hey, lazy students. Hi, Walla. Me? Did I say that? Oh my God. I don't know. Are you going to make videos after you put on the makeup? I'm not sure. But I'm not sure. Should I make video? Do you want me to make video? Do you want me to? Eh? I don't want it to be shouting. Yeah, just if you want to make my lip look fuller, I will extend it out. Like, but sometimes I just like it. But should I make it look fuller? No, leave it this way. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. I will make egusi. I don't even like egusi. I don't like egusi.